Mudra Band is the world's first wrist-worn brain-to-device interface. It uses neural technology which allows it to translate your finger movements into everyday control functions on your watch. First, swap out your regular Apple Watch band for the Mudra Band. Connecting the Mudra Band is easy. Just connect your Mudra Band and your watch through Bluetooth. Then all you have to do is make little gestures with your fingers to control the watch. This gives you a touchless interaction with your watch using just one hand. Enjoying using your new superpowers. The keychain is a small stabilizing camera that lets you create cinematic videos. You can document your daily life or be hands-free at a birthday party. You can record time-lapse and slow-motion videos, and with camera stabilization, you will no longer have shaky videos. The keychain puts the power of 4K in your hands, allowing you to capture non-stop memorable videos whenever and wherever you want.